Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about a constant debate that we have with ourselves, especially when we are living alone, and that is if I should cook or I should order something. Now there are days when I actually try to be responsible in what I eat, but there are days where I just simply give in and order. So today is one of those days where I wanted to cook something for myself, nothing special, nothing fancy, but something that I really enjoy eating. And I understand that these moments or these habits does not feel much at the moment, but can actually shape and contribute in how we take care of ourselves. So it's just a gentle reminder that take time for yourselves and cook something that you really love or enjoy. And yeah, it itself is a very special thing, I feel. So let's get started.